you working with D.I.Y with the wrist.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the wrist. How everybody doing, man? Wishing everybody Merry Christmas. Guess what, man? This is the time of year where we give, but most of all, reason for the season is Jesus. Reasons for the season is Jesus. But guess what, man? We are back with another video, man. It's been a minute since I've been on. But guess what? I got the C10 a gift. Yeah, man. I got the C10 a gift, man. So, I seen on the thumbnail. You already know what it is. But, man, I'm going to show y'all what we got, man. Coming soon for the 12 volt on the C10.
What's up, gang? We back. As you can see, we got a new box in from none other than... That's right, man. I was on Jigs, man, looking for me a disc to draw on the disc conversion kit, man. And guess what, man? I got me one, man, for Christmas, man. Got me one, man. Anyway, man, I'm gonna show you what we got, man. And I got this kit, man. Y'all not gonna believe, $350, man. Complete kit. Man, let me show you what we got, man. As you see, got the back. Got the back disc. Yeah, man. I think they like 11 inch, so they'll fit on my 15-inch wheels. Man, we got the parking brake, man. 2 parking brakes for each side. What else we got this thing? Look at all this stuff out here. Bracket. Yes, sir. This is for a 10 bolt or a 12 bolt. That right there on my hand. Let's see what else we got in here. Anyway, man, let's see what we got. That's another bracket. And we got the caliber in here, man. Look at this. Already got the brake pads, man. Check that out, man. Yes, sir. So if you want your disc brakes, you want to do a drum, take them drums off of there, man, Jizz got you, man. This is one of their kits. And like I said, man, I spent $350. Man, you can't beat that, man. They come with everything, man. Got the instructions here. Show you how to put that on there. But yeah, man, that's what we got. But anyway, man, appreciate y'all, man, checking in with your boy Greg, man, with D.I.Y with Rich, man. Look, man, we got some stuff coming, man. We got stuff coming. Man, I got to work, man, to get this stuff, man. This stuff is expensive. Man, YouTube is expensive. Trying to keep up with y'all, man. But anyway, man, y'all be looking out for your boy, man, because we got some more content coming, man. We got some more stuff. And we're gonna get that C10 rolling, man. Next thing on the list, we're gonna get these brakes put in. We already did the brake line, man. Y'all ain't see that? Check out my video, man. We got that brake line put in. But we're gonna put these discs on, man. And we're gonna get in that rim, man. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you everything you gotta do to put these disc brakes on, man. So you can put your disc brake on any one of your vehicles, man. As long as it got a 10 bolt or 12 bolt. But man, y'all, man, hit that thumbs up button, man. Hit that thumbs up, man. Stop what you're doing now, man. Hit that thumbs up button, man, so people can like these videos, man, so they can know we out here, man. You know, man, y'all like, subscribe, share, man. But we thank y'all, man. We appreciate y'all, man. And y'all get back with your boy.